Hi, this is Abhimanyu from AI Library. In this video, we're going to talk about how to access your agent customer conversations on the conversation page. Once you're logged into your AI Library platform and you've clicked on your agent, on the left navigation bar, you will click on Conversations. The conversation page will open up with the tabular format of details the agent has captured from the leads. You can simply click on any of the conversations to access further details of the leads. That is, the full recording, summary, and transcript. You can also select channels between WhatsApp, phone, web. Web is the chatbot that is placed on your website, phone would be the phone call, and WhatsApp would be the WhatsApp chat conversation between agent and the customer. You can also select the time limits. For example, if we select 3 seconds, it will only show us the conversations that have been held for over 3 seconds. You can also select date ranges. Let's say we select from 27th to 29th and we click filter. It will show us all the conversations that have held between these dates. Once we revert back to 1 second, it will show us all the conversations that have been had with which are more than 1 seconds. You can also download all these details by clicking on download. You can always sort by the date, sort by the completion, and sync in with Google Sheets. There you go.